just going to do a really quick ready. We're going to the beach, so I'm not going to do anything really crazy. But still, I wanted to record my makeup once while we're here. This is the Laneige Cream Toner. Oh, gotta use sunblock first. Get sunblock. Make sure I'm really well protected before I go to the beach. It's gonna be sunny. I'm not gonna wear a big hat. Always lift your face up and put on sunblock. Fresh tint. And this one, it's a serum. It's a foundation droplets immersed in serum. So it's very, very interesting. Because it's extremely hydrating and it doesn't really feel like you're even wearing anything, so that's why I really love it. I really love this one because it's very hydrating. Just add it. And I heard that they don't have this in light because the truck crashed in France or something and all of them got destroyed. Sad story. Extra covering. I'm gonna add this CC Green light in the center of the face. And especially for me, like around the mouth too. Just letting the sponge. Benefit brightening up concealer. I really need the correction. Eyebrows, Etude House. For me, I just quickly do the arch and the tail. That's where I need it. Brush it up. That's good. Okay, I want to define my eyes just a little bit, even though we're going to the beach. So I'm going to use Flower Beauty Finalized Glossy Eyeliner in Brownstone. This one has kind of specks of gold in it. See it? Nothing crazy, just that much. So we get on my thumb. I really like this mascara. I'm still using it. It's Kiko Milano. It reminds me of the Chanel mascara a lot. It's just very thick and fat, but it doesn't clump, and I've had this for quite a long time. Can I borrow your dust? Back. So I'm gonna use some Glacier and Dusk. I've never tried this, but I stole it from my friend. This tube is a lot smaller than I thought. It's actually just the size of my index finger. And it is kind of like rosy brown, so I'm gonna put it more here in this area. And just be sure to keep it in the area that you want it to go. So not too low. Not too just dab it. And that's it for this beachy look. Okay, so this is my look for going to the beach. I'm gonna wear this hat, this swimsuit I got from Granada. And this hat is from Amazon. And these glasses are from the subway station.